Poetic sound effect. Rhythm. The beat created the sound of the words in a poem can be created by using the meter, rhyme, alliteration, and refrain. Meter. A pattern of stressed, strong, and unstressed, weak syllables. Unit or part of the pattern is called foot. Types of foot: lambic, unstressed, stressed, trochaic, stressed, unstressed, anapestic, unstressed, stressed, stressed, diatonic, stressed, unstressed, unstressed. Rhymes. Words sounds alike because they share the same ending vowel-consonant sound. A word rhymes with itself. For example, lamp, stamp share the short A vowel sound with the combined MP consonant sound. Near rhyme. Also known as imperfect or close enough rhyme. The words share either the same vowel or consonant sound but not both. Example: home, come. Different vowel sound long O and O sound share the same consonant sound M. Internal rhyme. Word inside line rhymes with another word on the same line. For example, distinctly I remember it was the bleak December. End rhyme. A word that at the end of the one line rhymes with a word at the end of another line. For example, Hector the Lector by Sylvester Shell. Hector the collector collected its bit of string, collected dolls with a broken hand, and the rusty bells that would not ring. Thank you for watching.